Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Nice. Hi, this is Dr. Kennedy Pierce of Advanced Health Chiropractic. Today I have Brody here with me. Brody has been coming in with neck, shoulder, mid-back, low back, and bilateral knee pain. So we're gonna get Brody adjusted in a second, and I'm gonna take you through how that. All right, so we're gonna start with the arthrostem. Arthrostem is to stimulate the joints, induce proprioception into the spine. Next, gonna palpate Brody's thoracic spine. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Good. One more time, Brody, in and out. Good. Okay. Palpating his SI joints as well as checking for subluxations in the lumbar spine. Leg length. Okay, Brody, couple drops into these hips, okay? Good. Okay, face the inner side this way. And Brody, I'm gonna clip a mic to your back so we can hear the adjustment as well. I'm gonna move you a little closer. There we go. Deep breath in and out. Good. Other side. I'm gonna move it closer. And then straighten that bottom leg for me, Brody. This one. There we go. Deep breath in and out. Nice.
All right.
And now on your back. Sure. Looking for those subluxation and cervical spine to the neck. Good. Nice. Okay, one last one, Brody. We're gonna do that A to P, so the thoracic one, scooch down a little bit for me. All right, so if you're experiencing any similar pain as Brody, go ahead and schedule a new patient appointment online. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.